Hello, my name is Chendur Jayavelu. I'm an incoming junior in high school, and today we're going to be looking at question 12 of the April 2021 ACT Math section. So let's take a look at question number 12. Question number 12 says, a king-sized inflatable rectangular bed, when fully inflated, will have inside dimensions in inches of 78 by 75 by 5. An air pump can pump air into the bed at a rate of 100 cubic inches per second. At that rate, which of the following is closest to the number of seconds it would fully take to inflate the bed? Okay, so pause the video, figure out this problem by yourself, and when you're ready, hit play. Okay, so I assume that you saw this problem now. Let's look at the information. So you have a rectangular bed that's fully inflated. So what you're dealing with is a rectangular prism. Rectangular prism, and basically you're dealing with the shape that's it's 3D, so it looks something like this. Okay, we know that beds don't necessarily look like this, but let's assume that they do, right? Or this is terrible, but you understand the point, right? It's a 3D image with a rectangle as the cross section. Okay, so the dimensions are 78 by 75 by 5. And notice how I used multiplication symbols, because multiplication symbols represent the by. So that's the dimensions, and it fills at 100 cubic inches per second. Okay, so we know in inches, right? We can actually, it's better to write this as 78 inches times 75 inches times 5 inches, right? So what we get if we multiply this, so we can find the entire volume. And the reason why I'm trying to find the entire volume of this is because we are given a rate of 100 cubic inches per second, right? So if you pay attention to this, if you do 75 times 78 times 5, we get 29,250. But the thing is, if you have inches, right, and if you multiply it 3 times, you get inches cubed. Or that's basically cubic inches. Cubic inches are basically inches cubed, right? So then, okay, so that's the volume of this entire thing, right? And it deflates at a rate of 100 cubic inches per second. So something to realize that this is a ratio, right? So it's 100 cubic inches or inches cubed per second, right? So what's interesting is in order to figure out the number of seconds, right? We can flip this fraction around and we could use it to our advantage. So there's our entire volume is 29,250 inches cubed, and for 100 inches cubed, for every 100 inches cubed to deflate, right, or inflate, it would take 1 second, right? And now you can see that the inches cubed cancel each other out. So the inches cubed cancel each other out, and then now what we can do is we can do division essentially. So this basically gives us something around 292.5, around 293. And what are we left with? Perfect, we're left with seconds. So this answer is asking us which of the following is closest to the number of seconds, and boom, we have an answer in seconds, 293 seconds. The answer is J. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you stick around for question number 13. Until then, see you later.